Hey folks, looking to fast-track your way to $100,000 in the next 5 months? We've got your back. Today, we're diving into 5 exciting business ideas that can help you turn that financial goal into a reality. We're not just sharing random business ideas, rather, we are going to deep dive into each business model and explain to you how you can do this and how much money you need to invest to start. So, let's dive into these exciting possibilities, but before that, I want you to subscribe to this channel to unlock your finance knowledge. Okay, let's jump right in. First, e-commerce store with trending products. Starting an e-commerce store with trending products can be an exciting venture with the potential to earn you $100,000 in the next 5 months. People are constantly looking for products that are in high demand, and most of them want to purchase online. With the right products and marketing, you can reach a wide audience and generate substantial income quickly. But to make money fast, you have to invest money. So, let's figure out how much upfront costs are needed to start this business. Basically, the upfront costs for this business can vary a lot. You'll need to set a budget for essentials like website setup, around $29 to $79 per month. Then for domain name registration, which costs $10 to $20 per year, and a payment gateway like Shopify Payments or PayPal. Initial product inventory costs will depend on your chosen niche, and you have to set a budget for suppliers and advertising as well, which can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s per month, depending on your strategy. Now let's figure out what skills you have to acquire to start this business and make it profitable. The most important skill you have to master is product research, because the product is always the key factor of a successful e-commerce business. You can identify trending products in your niche using tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and e-commerce trend analysis tools. Then you have to set up your e-commerce website, which can be outsourced. After that, you have to learn digital marketing to generate leads and sales like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, influencer partnerships, and email marketing. And finally, you have to learn customer service. Learning how to manage customer inquiries, handle returns, and provide a smooth shopping experience can bring you a repeat customer base. While there's no magic formula for reaching $100,000 in 5 months, combining trending products, effective marketing, and consistent effort significantly enhances your chances. Second, real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling involves finding distressed properties at a discounted price and then quickly reselling them to investors or homebuyers. It's a fast-paced business that can yield significant profits if you have a knack for identifying good deals, but it requires a few $1,000s to start. You have to allocate money for marketing expenses, which can include direct mail campaigns, online listings, and networking events. Also, you have to start building relationships with real estate professionals, which might also require an investment. Setting aside a few $1,000s for these aspects is a good starting point. Now, let's talk about which skills you need to have to start this business. The main skill required is property evaluation, where you learn to identify undervalued properties through market analysis and assess their potential for profitability. You need to also master negotiation skills. It is essential to secure properties at favorable prices while allowing profitable reselling. Lastly, mastering due diligence ensures you can comprehensively research properties, considering crucial factors like title issues, liens, and repair costs. But remember, this business is a little bit risky, so you have to acquire these skills very well. With skillful execution, anyone can yield substantial rewards in a relatively short time frame. Third, digital marketing agency for small businesses. If you have expertise in digital marketing, start an agency focused on helping small businesses establish and grow their online presence. Offer high-demanding services such as SEO, social media marketing, content creation, and paid advertising. But why should you start a digital marketing agency in 2023? First, it allows you to tap into the growing demand for online marketing services, since businesses increasingly seek to establish and expand their digital presence. Second, it provides flexibility, as much of the work can be done remotely. And finally, the potential for scalability and profitability is substantial if you do it right. Now let's talk about the upfront costs. To make $100,000 in the next 5 months, you'll need to make some initial investments. First, invest in yourself by acquiring essential digital marketing skills through courses or certifications, which might set you back a few hundred to a few $1,000s. Basically, the upfront cost isn't that much if you do all of these things by yourself. But you have to invest your time to learn all the skills properly. You have to focus on mastering SEO, social media advertising, content creation, and analytics. Effective communication and client management skills are equally important. If you acquire those skills, then you have to invest some money on operational costs like office supplies and software licenses, totaling around $1,000 to $2,000. And you are good to go with this business model. Fourth, subscription box service. Starting a subscription box service can be an exciting and rewarding venture that offers a unique way to connect with customers and generate income. Why should you consider diving into this business? Well, firstly, it offers a unique and personalized experience to subscribers, allowing you to curate and deliver carefully selected products that cater to your customers' specific interests or needs. Secondly, the subscription box industry has experienced significant growth in recent years, indicating a strong demand for this type of service. By providing a memorable and enjoyable subscription experience, you can tap into this expanding market. Now let's talk about the upfront costs. To reach that impressive $100,000 revenue mark within the next 5 months, it's essential to make wise investments. Here's a rough breakdown to consider. First, there's product sourcing and creation. You'll want to allocate a significant portion of your budget to source or create unique and appealing products to include in your subscription boxes. Next, you'll need a professional website and an e-commerce platform to handle subscriptions, payments, and customer management. Costs for these can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, depending on your specific needs. Additionally, don't forget to allocate funds for marketing and promotion. Lastly, there are operational expenses to consider, such as storage, customer support, and any software tools needed to efficiently manage your subscription service. In terms of skills, successful subscription box entrepreneurs excel in product curation, branding, marketing, and customer relationship management. Excellent communication and organizational skills are vital, as you'll be dealing with subscribers and suppliers regularly. To generate profit quickly from this business model, you have to ensure that your subscription box delivers real value and a unique experience to subscribers, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your income goals in the world of subscription boxes. Okay, now let's talk about the final business idea. But before we dive in, if you feel like you're getting value so far, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Finally, pet products supply business. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the ever-growing pet industry. Firstly, it allows you to enter the thriving pet industry, where there's a consistent and growing demand for top-notch pet products and services. What's more, if you're a pet lover yourself, this business offers the unique opportunity to combine your passion with your profession, making it an even more rewarding experience. Now let's talk about how you will achieve your goal of making $100,000 in the next 5 months with this business model. Firstly, you'll need to invest in your inventory, which often forms a significant part of your budget. This includes a diverse range of pet products, such as food, toys, accessories, grooming supplies, and more. Next, you'll need a space to operate, either a physical store or an online presence, but it's better to go online. So, for an online store, you'll require a professionally designed website and an e-commerce platform, which cost a few $100s. Additionally, you have to consider costs associated with staffing, including hiring and salaries, as well as day-to-day operational expenses like utilities and software for inventory management and customer support. To make this business model successful, All you need to do is build strong relationships with local pet communities and offer exceptional customer service. And if you do, then undoubtedly it will help you achieve your income goal and make your pet product supply business extremely profitable. Remember, success in any business venture requires hard work, dedication, and careful planning. So, pick the idea that resonates with you the most, research thoroughly, and take that first step toward your financial goals. Wish you good luck, and as always, stay happy, stay blessed.